Hello everyone, this is Helen. In the last video, we produced shrimp fried rice. Chinese rice is very good, so fried rice is a very good choice. You can use all kinds of diced vegetables, eggs, shrimp, and rice. Today, I will make a very delicious braised pork for everyone. My friends and my family like it very much. First of all, when you choose pork, you must choose pork belly. Wash the meat and cut into small pieces of about 3 centimeters. You see, the texture of pork belly is very good. Only this kind of fat is the best. Put them in a bowl and set aside. Prepare accessories. Ginger sliced, about 5 millimeters, and cut 4 slices is enough. Cut the shallot into sections. Put in a bowl and set aside. Prepare the spices: 3 aniseed, 2 fragrant leaves, 2 nutmegs, and cinnamon. Put the meat you just cut into cold water. Add cooking wine. Remove the water after boiling. This step is mainly to boil the blood from the meat. Because the blood has a heavy fishy smell, we cook it first. Remove the dirty stuff, and then remove the meat. The next step is to fry the meat in a non-stick pan and force out some of the oil. This step is mainly for health reasons, because eating too much animal oil is bad for your health. These meats can be put into the pot just right. The cracking sound is very loud at first, because the meat has water, and the oil encounters the water. It will jump more strongly. Now it's more and more fragrant. After one side is slightly browned, turn it over and fry the other side. Slightly move them out. The oil in the pan is out of the meat, so it won't get greasy after doing this. The next step is to fry the sugar. I use water and sugar. Pour less water and then add sugar of about 2 spoons. After melting, there will be a lot of bubbles. When the color is brown, you can put the meat in and fry a few times. Then, pour in water. At this point, the soup is caramelized. We are going to stew for an hour, so put in more water. Put in the spices. Put in the shallot and ginger. And then add a spoonful of light soy sauce. Half of a spoonful of dark soy sauce. The color of this soup is very beautiful. Very bright brown red. When the soup is dried, this color will come to the meat. After the water has boiled, remove the floating foam and simmer on medium heat for 15 minutes. After the time, the color of the meat has changed. At this time, we pick out the spices, because the spices and the meat mixed together affect the overall beauty. And if you accidentally eat them, the taste must be very exciting. Add a spoonful of salt. as there is salt in both light and dark soy sauce. You can also adjust it to your taste. 10 minutes later, the soup was almost dried. The color of the meat was very, very good. Red and bright. The soup was sticky. The meat was soft and glutinous. It was melted when it came in the mouth, and the taste was salty and sweet. Stir it and serve it in a plate. A delicious and low-fat healthy braised pork is ready. This is really a dish worth trying. No one doesn't like braised pork. I think if you taste it, you won't refuse my braised pork. It's really tempting. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. And welcome everyone to subscribe to my channel and leave a message under the video. I will continue to update more food videos. See you next time. Bye.